Hey folks, I've got a strange video for you today. Strange as is, I'm not gonna make it from scratch. You'll see that in just a minute. But what I have right here is a flavor bomb. I am not kidding. This is the red chimichurri sauce from Chipotle. I had this a couple of days ago, and let me tell you, a little goes a long way. They show pouring it all over like the carnitas burrito bowl. Boy, you don't want to do that. That's just it's just too much. It's like, wow. It's actually a mixture of it's kind of, you know, they say it's an Argentina-based chimichurri sauce, but it has different things in it. It has a blend of red peppers, it has lemon juice, it has cilantro instead of parsley, and probably because it's cilantro, they're using like soybean oil. They're not using olive oil, and some spices, other seasonings, whatever. But it's just red wine vinegar. It does have red wine vinegar, so it's really tart. And it is very tasty. Like I said, it's a flavor bomb. I started playing with it and experimented with it, thinking, how about a red chimichurri ranch? And so I literally grabbed a bottle of H-E-B's fresh ranch dressing, which is a really good ranch dressing. And I started adding a little bit of the red chimichurri to it, and it turned out really good. So that is what I'm gonna make today. I'm gonna show you how to make. So I'm gonna use the Chipotle red chimichurri and some H-E-B ranch dressing, and give it a taste. I've tasted it. It's really good, but it's really simple. And you can actually make your own ranch. I have a really good ranch base recipe. I use it. I'll put a card up here or whatever. I use my base ranch recipe for a lot of ranch based, sauces and stuff. So I wanted to try this though, just kind of like a proof of concept. So here's how I put it together, and come back and I'll taste it again. Okay, like I said, this is going to be simple. This is the H-E-B Fresh Ranch, 1 cup. This is it's a really good buttermilk ranch. You could use your favorite. And then a tablespoon of that Chipotle flavor bomb, the red chimichurri. Trust me, a tablespoon is all you need for this. If you want to, kick it up a little bit more, use as much as you want. But I found that this ratio works well. Give this a good mix. Look at that. It looks fantastic. Give it a quick taste. Yep, doesn't need anything else. Gonna put this in another container, refrigerate it, and then give it a try. Couldn't be simpler, right? Use your favorite ranch. I like this H-E-B ranch. Or make mine, from scratch. Make your own from scratch of your favorite recipe. Whatever. But here we have the Chipotle red chimichurri ranch. Let's give it a taste. Oh yeah, it looks really good. Definitely. Gonna need another one. That is really, really good. The ranch really helps kind of mellow out the tart tanginess of that Chipotle red chimichurri, because it's very tart. It's got lemon juice, it's got red wine vinegar, and it has a nice little heat kick to it, you know. With they don't say what the chili blend they use, but it's a blend of different chilies, but it's really tasty. So there you have it. If you want a really simple red chimichurri ranch from Chipotle, in Chipotle, you should make this yourself, because I would take this every day over just like the regular chimichurri, because that's, like I said, that is a flavor bomb. It's overpowering. Well, there you have it, folks. Thanks for watching.